side. Police people just shot someone at Obogu Junction. Now, Onitsha people, Obogu Junction at Onitsha, Anambra State, Onitsha people now got angry and blocked the road. The one going towards Asaba is not moving. You can see everywhere is blocked. The one going coming from Delta, coming towards Anambra, Onitsha, is not moving. Everywhere stand. Look at people. Look at people. People flew at the road. No movement. No going forward. No going back. As you can see, this is the report. This is the report coming. You can see. Everywhere is blocked. No going front, no going back. Everybody is turning. Everybody is turning. Everybody is turning. Look at people in the market. People at the market. This is the Obogu Bridge, Onitsha. Obogu Market, Bridge, Onitsha, Anambra State.
I na blog go the main road. I no go the road blog. Tell you why, Tell you why. Hey, I find the mad na go ta. You gotta go. I no load blog. It's too much. I no load blog. Nala mara we ngwa obuze egbe. Onye abuzo kidnapper. All the very bad. Justice for Obogu guy. Ebu ngwa ya pụọ. I'm on the police. Justice for Obogu guy.
Twice.